Hello and Assalamualaikum to my respected examiner and supervisor. My name is Abdul Azim Mazli and my supervisor is Puan Nur Afni Mitin Rahman. So today I will presenting my final year project, which is prediction of heart disease system by using random forest. So for the background of study, heart is a very important part of our body. Life is itself dependent on efficient working of heart. If operation of heart is not proper, it will affect the other body parts of humans such as brain, kidney, and many more. Heart disease is a disease that affects on the operation of heart. There are a number of a few symptoms of heart disease such as shortness of breath, weakness of physical body, and swollen feet. Based on the World Health Organization (WHO) has estimated that 70.9 million deaths already occur worldwide every year due to heart disease. In 2021, 17.9 million people died due to heart disease. Over 80% of deaths in the world are because of heart disease. In addition, prediction should be done to reduce risk of heart disease. Diagnosis is usually based on signs, symptoms, and physical examination of a patient. Almost all the doctors are predicting heart disease by learning and experience. The diagnosis of disease is a difficult and tedious task in a medical field. Next, there are two problem statements which are difficult to detect heart disease, and second is there is no computerized system for collecting and monitoring data in IJN. Here is the evidence I gather requirement and analysis which from online questionnaire answered by 190 respondents, online interview with Mr. Ibrahim Bahrom, which is heart disease survivor, and interview with Dr. Hafiz, a cardiologist expert at Institute Jantung Negara. So here is the project solution to solve the problem which all the solution has been complete. The main system of the PHDS is predict a heart disease using random forest technique. Random forest technique run by constructing multiple decision trees during training phases. The decision is made from most of the trees is chosen by the random forest as final decision. Random forest is an ensemble classifier which combines bagging and random selection of features. Thus, this random forest techniques under the class of supervised learning, and it was the most appropriate and scalable algorithm for our problem specified. Now, let's look at the example prediction that has been run into the random forest model. For your information, the dataset sample has been taken from online website which from kaggle.com. It consists of 304 sample data with 14 columns. After this, I will show the prediction result that has been tested on the random forest model. Here is the test one that have heart disease. We can see the test case. Expected result is 1, which means have a heart disease. So after run the model result is 1, which correctly predicted. The training accuracy for this test is 95.0413% and testing accuracy is 77.6885%. Next, here is the test 2 that have heart disease. We can see the test case. Expected result is also 1, which means have a heart disease. So after run the model result is 1, which correctly predicted. The training accuracy for this test is 95.0413%, but the testing accuracy is different with the test 1, which is 77.68885%. Now, for the test 3 does not have heart disease. We can see the test case. Expected result is 0 at this time, which means does not have a heart disease. So after run the model result is 0, which correctly predicted. The training accuracy for this test is 95.04132% and testing accuracy is 77.04918%. For the last example, which for the test 4 does not have heart disease, we can see the test case. Expected result is 0, which means does not have heart disease. So after run the model result is 0, which correctly predicted. The training accuracy for this test is 95.04632%, but the testing accuracy is different with the test 3, which is 77.6491%. Next is the system flow. Here is the system flow for the main user, which is patient. First, user can register as patient. then log in to the system. Patient can edit profile. Patient also can test heart analysis prediction. After that, prediction heart result will be shown at result prediction page. For admin, firstly, admin need to log in. Then it will direct to the admin dashboard. Admin can manage patient, edit own profile, manage doctor, manage patient heart analysis result, and manage admin. So this is the use case for PHDS. This use case have two actors, which are admin and patient. Patient have 3 use case, admin have 8 use case. Then we have 2 use case that shared by admin and patient. The total use case for PHDS is 13 use case. Next, here is the domain class diagram. It consists of 5 table class. First is a patient with 8 attributes, heart analysis test 13 attributes, prediction result 4 attributes, admin 6 attributes, and doctor information 11 attributes. So now is the main event for today, which is the project demonstration for PHDS. Let's go. Hello everyone, welcome to PHDS system. As you can see, this is the home page of PHDS system. The patient and admin will directly to the home page first. This is the list of IGN doctors. This is about PHDS system. This is the login page for patient, and this is for login page for admin. Firstly, we're going to look in for the second problem of solution, which is no computerized system for collecting and monitoring data in IGN. Now we're going to sign in as admin. After admin login, it will direct to the admin dashboard. So on the right top, we can see admin name, and left is a sidebar menu that have list of patient details, list of doctor details, list of heart analysis details, and list of admin details. Firstly, we look at the list of patient details page. Here is the patient details page. Admin can update, view details, and delete. But the admin cannot add new patient because patient need to register as a new member that will store into database. Now I will show the update admin can edit information that they want. Then in view details, admin can view all the patient information details. Then admin also can delete the patient. Next, we look at list of doctor details. This is the list doctor of details page, and we're going to add a new doctor. We click on add button here. Here we're going to add all the information about the new doctor. Then click here. We can see alert message here success add. Then we update doctor. By clicking update button, here is the page that we update it. So alert message will be shown. Then we also can view details. Here is the doctor details. After that, we also can delete the doctor. The list of doctor will be shown at doctor page here, which is here. Then we look at heart details. Here is the list of patient heart analysis result. Admin can only delete the patient heart analysis result. I will click here to delete. After that, we look at list of admin. Here admin can register new admin and delete admin. But we look at new admin first. Here is the page for register new admin. The admin need to fill the username, email address, password, and password confirmation. After that, we can see the admin has been added to the system and database. Now admin can delete admin. Admin also can edit their profile. Here is the edit profile page for admin to edit their own profile. That's all for admin part. Then I will show the main system for patient side. This is the first problem that PhDs. That's all for admin part. Then I will show the main system for patient side. This is the first problem that PHDS system want to solve, which is difficulty to detect heart disease. First thing first, patient need to create a new account by filling the provided form in the registration page. After that, it will direct to the login page. Patient can see alert message here, success register, then can log in. So here is the home page when user log in. Patient can see their name here. After that, by clicking the quickly predict button, here is the heart analysis test page that user want to predict heart disease. Patient need to enter 13 valid parameter in the form. Patient need to enter age, sex, chest, pain type, resting blood pressure, serum cholesterol, fasting blood sugar, resting electrocardiographic, TALAC, enzyme, all peak, slope of all peak, number of major vessels, and tal. Now, let's try for patients that have heart disease, which we enter age 63, sex is 1, chest pain type is 3, resting blood pressure is 145, serum cholesterol is 233, fasting blood sugar is 1, resting electrocardiography is 0, TALAC 150, enzyme is 0, all peak is 2.3, slope of all peak is 0, number of major vessels is 0, TALS is 1. Then patient need to click predict button here. The system will predict using random forest model that already been developed. If the result is 1, means patient have heart disease. Then if the result is 0, means patient free from heart disease. Here is the page for result is 1, and here is the page if result is 0. They also can see the input data in the table below. This data will save into database system. So that's the end for the system, and I think that's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.